Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y19s, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you want to open up your settings, and in here just scroll all the way down to System, and then select Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. So most importantly, the things that will be removed here are things like music, photos, and all user data. If you have anything of that sort, make a backup copy of the data that you want to preserve, and once you have done so, you can then click on Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you do need to confirm it right here, and then click on Erase All Data a second time, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about 2-3 minutes or so to finish up. I'm going to pause the video in the meantime while it's going through, as it is a fully automatic process, and once it's finished, you'll just be presented with the setup screen. So you'll see basically a cut to what will be a setup screen. And it's finally finished. Now this took probably closer to like 4 minutes, but in any case, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.